Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's like I am getting late because I need to rush out and I don't have that much of time to get ready and spend too much in my makeup. There are days when you don't have too much of time, or maybe you don't want to do too much and still want to look all put together. So this video will definitely help you, and I wanted to show what all I do when I am running out of time. And honestly, I don't use too much of makeup. Like, base product is less, and I just set my little bit I do here and there, and then out the door. So if you want to know how I get ready in 5 to 10 minutes, then please keep on watching. Before I get into my base makeup, I have already done my skincare, that is cleansing, toning, moisturizing. And since I'm shooting, since I'm going out like in the evening, I'm not using a sunblock. But if you want to wear like makeup before you're stepping out for your office work, then please make sure that you wear a sunblock. So the first thing which I do is I take my concealer, and I don't use a foundation when I am running out of time. I simply go for concealer because it's a little more in coverage, and I don't want to cover the entire face. Like, wherever the problem area is, I just cover that. So I'll just take a little bit under my eyes. This concealer is from NARS and it's in the shade Custard. It's a little bit in peachy tone. Correct my under eye darkness. Little bit here, around my nose. Just a little bit wherever the problem area is, I just put there, here. And now with my damp beauty blender, I'll just blend everything. So my blending is complete. Now I'll move on to a compact, which is sort of powder foundation. This compact is from Estee Lauder Double Wear range. It's a powder foundation. So this is like sort of a quick fix when you don't want to invest too much of time in blending liquid foundation. You can just simply go for this and put it all over your face. So this way you're just setting your concealer and you're adding extra coverage. So add a little bit of coverage with the help of that powder foundation, and now I'll move on to my bronzer, which I never ever skip because I don't want to look all washed out. So that is why I put bronzer. If you want to skip it, you can skip it. That's not a very big issue, but I cannot. I just can't. So I'm using my Marc Jacobs bronzer, and with that same brush, that fluffy brush, I'll be applying wherever I usually bronze. A little bit on my neck. So with the same brush which I use for my bronzer, whatever is left on the brush, I'll just dust on my lid. That's it, so that my eyelid doesn't look white. For today's tutorial, I'm using Kabrow Benefit. I want to keep my brows really natural, not putting too much of effort. I'll set my brows with Anastasia Brow Gel in a clear version. So my face is almost complete. I'll move on to my eyes. That is, I'll just use a mascara which is from L'Oreal. It's a volume million lashes. I've not used any shadows or stuff. I'm just using mascara just to open up my eyes. My skin is speaking through. Just to hide that, I am using this Revlon Colorstay pencil. Just trying to fill those gaps. So that is it for my eyes, and now I will just use this blush palette. I'll not use highlighter, I'll just use this blush, like a shimmery one, just to give that glow effect and nothing else. So I'll mix these two color and apply it on my cheek. You don't have extra time to switch your makeup brush for cheek, for eyes, for different things. I've just used this one brush and I've done my makeup and I'm almost done. So now what I am doing is I'm just taking this blush, which is a little bit shimmery, and just putting it on top of the blush. It's like a blush topper. That's it. Now the last thing is I'll take my lipstick. No, nobody, like, it's not only about me, like nobody steps their house without a lipstick, yeah. Like, so I'm using this MAC Mehr. I'll just dab it just for the tint effect and blend it with my finger. So this is like my version of 5 to 10 minutes makeup look, where I don't have too much of time and I want to look good, presentable, so that people don't talk behind my back, they go, so cute, Carrie. If you really liked my video, please click that like button, share if you want to, and please be my subscriber. Till then, stay beautiful.